twinkling lights, snow on the ground. Oh, how you loved Christmas in this town. Snowball fights and hot chocolate kisses, kids up all night, writing down wishes. It's that magical time that we wait on all year. And oh, how I wish you were here to throw reindeer bells up on the roof, leave those big Santa footprints, even though they always knew that you ate all the cookies, left your coat caught in the tree. You did every little thing just to make them believe. Then we'd sit in the quiet, crack open a beer, and oh, how I wish you were here to load all the kids up and hunt down that perfect pine. Help the littlest one cut down his for the first time. You always made it a point to all ride together, wrapped up in blankets, trying to hide from the weather. They'd yell out from the backseat, "Daddy's so crazy," when you played White Christmas on repeat. Playing that song a lot lately, feels just like a big hug to me. Fills up my eyes, leaves a memory in every tear, and oh, how I wish you were here The kids are all grown and moved away, but every Christmas Eve they all pile up